Welcome back. One of the things you can do with ChatGPT is that you can take content that may be difficult to understand and to place it inside of ChatGPT in order to ask the chatbot to help you by making the language simpler to understand. And this can especially be the case when you are working with scientific and/or academic studies. What we're going to do in this case is we're going to copy this information. We're going to place it inside of the chatbot, and we're going to ask the chatbot to help us to understand it by taking this information and placing it in more plain language. Now, one alternative in our example information is we could use the phrase, make this understandable to a 5-year-old. However, we're not going to use that particular phrase. We're going to go ahead and paste in the abstract from the academic study. What we're now going to do is we're going to hit enter. And ChatGPT will give us a simplified explanation of this information. And what you'll notice is a shorter, simplified explanation. And so one thing that ChatGPT can do for us is to simplify information that may be difficult to understand. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.